Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? So, as you guys can tell by the intro, today we are going to be reviewing the brand new Jeffree Star Magic Star Liquid Concealer and the Baking Powder. I am super excited. I got these the day that they released. I was ordering them. But let me roll back a little bit. So, Jeffree Star recently released his brand new Liquid Concealer and Baking Powder. And if you guys did not know, his company got broken into, his warehouse where he keeps all of his products to ship out, that got broken into. Therefore, we experienced an early release date only because of the C5 that was floating around that was stolen. Whoever stole that is insane. Like, why? Like, what? Okay, imagine if that was done to you. No matter how much money you have, that still hurts. You know, that's your baby. That's something you've worked really hard on. Money cannot just make things, you know, go away. And it's just like, for somebody to do that, that's really low of them. And I really hope that everybody who participated in that gets caught, because that's super wrong. And yes, I'm using the word super because I'm weird, okay? Anyway, with an early release, it is better for us because we got to experience it faster. Now, I did try to purchase these off of the website the day that they released. The minute that they released, I set an alarm 15 minutes before so I can get ready to get on my phone to try and order it. And as I was on my way to work, I was trying to order it. Night before, I go on the Instagram and I'm looking through all the concealers because I already know that I will not have time to go through all the concealers on the website the day that it releases, because I already know that it's gonna sell out really fast. So I went the day before and I kind of just guessed my shade. So I ordered C15 and I ordered beige for the baking powder. And I am not 100% sure if these are my shades. That this is gonna be a really good concealing shade, but I don't think it's gonna be a good highlighting shade, so that kind of sucks. But I can definitely order a highlighting shade in the future because I do want to order a ton of these concealers to put on my vanity so that they can look really pretty and really cute. I'm super excited to have these on my vanity. Now, this site did crash several times while I was trying to order these, so I got in a frantic panic and I went over to Morphe. I was trying to see if there was anywhere else I can order them off of, so I went over to Morphe. I ended up ordering it off of Morphe and I had no problems ordering it there. But again, I did rush to pick out my shades. So we're gonna see how this goes. I believe this powder is gonna be a really good brightening powder, but we will see. Now, I have been trying to get videos up for Mondays and Fridays, but I think this video is going to be a bit late only because I wanna get really cool shots and I wanna start filming a new way, and it's pretty late. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get the cool shots tomorrow and then hopefully have this uploaded on Wednesday, preferably, and then we'll try to get back to our usual schedule, so bear with me. So before we get into this review video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family and hit that like button if you want to see more reviews from your girl. Now let's get into this. So we're going to be starting off with the Magic Star Liquid Concealer. This comes in 30 shades and it does retail for $22. So it's a bit on the higher end side. However, it has 0.115 fluid ounces. It's not a full fluid ounce, but as far as the packaging goes, I think I'm okay with that because it's just really cute. Let me just open this bad boy up really quick. Now, when you take it out of the box, this is what you'll see. You'll see a really cool crystallized tube with an amazing Sailor Moon inspired top. I am just like, oh my gosh. I love the packaging. I am obsessed with it, and that's why I want to order like at least 10 more of these just to have them displayed on my vanity. Not even to use them, just to have them displayed on my vanity. So, and you also have the geometric holographic shapes all over the carton. Now, the packaging for the powder does not have the geometric or holographic all over it. It is a pink, but there is a vignette, like a feathering around it. It's really pretty. I love that. Now, this claims to be long wearing and anti-aging, which is really interesting to see, although that's gonna be a thing over time to see if it actually does work. It has 20% of pigment, so it should be able to cover tattoos. I really wanna get a clip of me trying to cover one of my boyfriend's tattoos because I do not have any tattoos. I want one, but I'm really too scared to get one. So this is also full coverage, and if you do not get the shade that you're looking for, you can always email his team to send it back with a 30-day return policy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try this bad boy out and see if it really is full coverage. So I've already primed my face, applied foundation, eyebrows, and contour. I really just wanted to focus on the concealer and the powder for this video. When I open the tube, I see this doe foot applicator that is a teardrop shape, and it has a hole in between, and apparently that's supposed to allow you to get more product on the wand and distribute more, so that way you don't have to dip into the tube as often. It is very full coverage and it doesn't start to crease on my under eyes, which is really good. It does look a little bit brightening, but of course I did get the wrong shade as far as brightening goes. So whenever I get the chance, I would like to repurchase the brighter concealer for that. But it does make my skin look really smooth, really radiant, really fresh. I love it. It looks so good. This is amazing. And it's not super matte. It doesn't really cake on my face. It looks just glowy and gorgeous, almost like a satin-like, but like a little bit more like a, I don't want to say dewy because it's not like a greasy look, but we're gonna apply the powder over this and see how that performs, and I will get back to you with the rest of the specs. When this did arrive, it came a little damaged on the front and when I opened it up just to check it out, some of the powder had already gotten out, so I don't think there's I don't know, I didn't thoroughly watch. Oh no, there is. I didn't think that there was a little seal, but there is, which is, it's easy to lift, but it did kind of get, not everywhere, but kind of looked around a little bit. Oh my god. I'm putting way too much powder on. Oh my god, okay. I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the bake. Oh geez, I may have put a little too much on. It feels smooth. Does that make sense? Like, there's like a layer of like smoothness. So this is apparently supposed to give you like a blurring effect, and I'm definitely getting that. Like, does my skin look smooth? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I need to see this up close, hold on. For the Magic Star powder, there are 8 shades. It is 10 grams, and this also retails for $22. In comparison to my tried and true Laura Mercier, this is 29 grams. If you want to get technical, the Jeffree Star Magic Star powder is 0.353 ounces, 10 grams, retails for $22. The Laura Mercier, my tried and true, is 1 fluid ounce, 29 grams, and it retails for $39. So compared to the recent Morphe powder I just purchased, the Morphe powder is 0.31 ounces, 9 grams, and it retails for $12. This is 9 grams, this is 10. Why is this a lot more? First off, I think that there's a lot more that this powder gives. Does that make any sense? So I'm getting a raw matte vibe from this, but I'm also getting this like nice blurring effect like it says. It's like pores who? What? Where are you at? Whereas with this one, I did really get a satiny finish. So the finishes are very different. They do give 2 different effects. Now the packaging, obviously, like what the heck? This is amazing. I can only imagine how much this packaging costs. Like, it's insane. Now, that doesn't mean I am bashing Morphe's packaging. I love Morphe's packaging, but I think a lot went into this and we need to consider that as well. I mean, even, come on, even the Laura Mercier tried and true, love this packaging, but I'm sorry. This has stolen my heart. I still love all 3 though for different effects. So the one thing about Laura Mercier that I will always go back to it, and I still need to repurchase it, but $39, ooh, is that whenever you apply this to your face, it really brings your makeup all together, like how the MAC Fix Plus claims to do. When you apply the Fix Plus, it's supposed to melt your makeup all together. This does that. So this I can apply all over. This with the different shades, I'm a little scared to apply it all over because it does obviously brighten my eyes, but it does give a blurring effect. So if I were to buy a translucent, like a pure translucent shade, that would probably work a lot better in my benefit. Whereas this one gives a really nice satiny finish. Would I say this does what it claims? Yes, I absolutely do think it does what it claims. And I think it is worth the $22. I will keep repurchasing this It is amazing. I mean, come on, like the packaging, the effect that you get, it's brightening. It just literally like, my skin is just like, my skin is snatched right now, okay? So with the concealer, we did get the full coverage that it claims to. As far as the anti-aging, we will have to see in due time. That one I would not be able to tell unless I'm consistently using this every single day. Now, I do want to get a couple shots of me trying to cover my boyfriend's tattoos with this concealer. So I'm probably going to do that tomorrow, and I'll insert the clips here for you guys. I would say that this definitely did do what it claims. It is amazing. I absolutely love this concealer. It just goes beautifully on the skin. It covers all the imperfections. Now, would this be an everyday concealer? Definitely not. I would love to see something like this that would be an everyday concealer from Jeffree, but I am sure that he has so many things in the works that we are going to love and just be excited for in the future. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I am back. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, please check out my Instagram. It is It's Kayla with 2 S's, 2 Y's, and 2 A's. I'll have it right here, and I'll have a link down below so you can just click on it while you're listening to me, because I know I hate going to somebody's Instagram, like getting off of YouTube while I'm watching a video to go check out somebody's Instagram just to come back. I like to have a little like links I can click and listen to what they're saying while I'm like scrolling through their Instagram. Everything together, it just looks amazing. Like with everything on, oh my gosh, my skin looks flawless. It doesn't even look matte. That's the thing, it's like it's supposed to keep your oils at bay, but it's giving me like a almost like satiny finish, if you get what I'm saying. This just looks flawless. Like my face looks flawless, and I've been having so much trouble with my foundations lately that I'm like, man, how am I gonna film this? Because this is gonna look like a hot mess, okay? I cannot, I'm speechless. Like, this is so good. If you guys want something full coverage, I would definitely pick this up. It retails for $22 for both of them. It's definitely worth it. I think that it's gonna take you a while to go through a tube of concealer, unless you're religiously using it every single day, like I would my Shape Tape. Shape Tape's the only concealer I've ever gone through several times. Like, I've bought it at least 4 times, and that's because I'm kind of like, each time like, oh, I don't want to spend the money, but like, it's so good. So I am just branching out and trying to try out new concealers, and this is definitely a top fave. This is so good. So would I say that this is a win? I would definitely say so. This is definitely worth your money. Don't hesitate, because for starters, the packaging is just, it's so gorgeous. I love it. It's just gonna look cute on your collection. Not to mention, you're gonna get a really good use out of it. You're not gonna hate it. If you love full coverage, then this is definitely for you. Now, if you do not like full coverage, here's my disclaimer. If you do not like full coverage, this is definitely not gonna be for you. You're gonna be like, whoa, this is too much. It doesn't give like that cakey vibe. Like for me, I don't get that cakey vibe, but it's definitely full coverage. So if you don't like a lot on, then I definitely wouldn't go with this. Maybe just for the packaging, because it's really cute. Like again, like I'm probably gonna buy 10 of these. I'm gonna save my money up. I'm gonna buy 10 of them, so like in the next 3 or 4 months, I'm gonna buy like 10 of them just to have on my collection, on my vanity. I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give it a like if you did. Also, go check out my Instagram to check out how I did this eye look. And also give it a follow over there. Go show some love. I'm trying to grow my Instagram my Instagram, what, really? I'm trying to grow my Instagram page. I'm trying to post a lot more on there and just be more active, so when I'm not on YouTube, you guys can see what I'm doing behind the scenes and how I'm filming things or what I'm filming. Or if I am going to be filming a video, you guys can be the first to have an input on there. So definitely check that out, and leave a comment down below on what video you'd like to see next. I'm definitely going to be filming a Fashion Nova haul because I have an order from them that I need to film before I can even wear the clothes. That's just me, I'm super weird. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!